Good morning, students of Oxford High School, Uppugunduru. In previous class, we have discussed about the specific heat of lead shots. In this class, I have to explain the some of the problems regarding Q is equal to ms delta T, and next one temperature of mixture, that is T is equal to m1 T1 plus m2 T2 by m1 plus m2. Masira, in this lesson, I have to explain the some of the problems regarding Q is equal to ms delta T. Okay na? And next one, temperature of mixture and final temperature m1 T1 plus m2 T2 by m1 plus m2 amma. Okay na? m1 plus m2. In examination point of view, this is very important lesson. Amma. Essay questions will be given in this lesson. That essay questions may be in question and answers type or in problem amma, whatever they given. Here Q is equal to ms delta T and T is equal to m1 T1 plus m2 T2 by m1 plus m2. Okay nama. Here see the 200 grams of, I will explain one problem amma. 200 grams of water, 200 grams of water which is at a temperature of 200 grams of water at a temperature of 50 degrees centigrade is mixed with 100 grams of water, 100 grams of water at 60 degrees centigrade. Here 200 grams of water at a temperature of 50 degrees centigrade is mixed with 100 grams of water at 60 degrees centigrade. Find the temperature of mixture or find the temperature of resultant. Find the temperature of mixture. Find the temperature of mixture. Find the temperature of mixture or resultant temperature or temperature of medium amma. Temperature of mixture or resultant temperature or the temperature of the medium. These three ones should give the similar meaning amma. Here the problem is 200 grams of water at a temperature of 50 degrees centigrade is mixed with 100 grams of water at 60 degrees centigrade. Find the temperature of mixture or temperature of resultant temperature amma, or medium temperature. Here two masses are given and two temperatures are given amma. First we have to write what values should be given in the problem. Now first listen carefully. We have to write what are the values that are given in the problem. See the first here two masses are given and mass of water m1 is equal to 200 grams. And next one, this water at a temperature of 50 degrees centigrade, that means the temperature, two temperatures are given in this problem. Temperature T1 is equal to 50 degrees centigrade. And next one is mixed with another mass of water, 100 grams of water. Here mass of water is equal to m2 is equal to 100 grams. Okay na? And next, which is having a temperature T2 is equal to 60 degrees centigrade. Temperature T2 is equal to 60 degrees centigrade. Find out the resultant temperature. Now, what is the formula to find out the resultant temperature? The resultant temperature or temperature of mix T1 plus m2 T2 by m1 plus m2. The temperature of mixture T is equal to m1 T1 plus m2 T2 by m1 plus m2. Here T is equal to mass of the first body, how much more? 200 grams. And next, temperature T1 is equal to 50. Next, mass of the second body m2 is equal to 100. Temperature T2 is equal to 60 divided by m1 plus m2. 200 plus m2 means 100 Listen carefully. Here we have to observe very carefully, Amma. These 4 values should be given only in CJ system, Amma, not in MKS system. These 4 values should be given in CJ system. Okay? No units systems conversion should not take place in this one, Amma. Here T is equal to 200 into 50. Here 2 5s are 10. No. 200 into 50 is equal to 10,000, Amma. Plus 100 into 60 is equal to 6,000 by 200 plus 100 is equal to 300. Here 10,000 plus 6,000 is equal to 16,000 by 300. Okay na? 2 zeros get cancel, Amma. Here 3 5s are 15. Okay na? That is 53.3 degrees centigrade. Here do the division, Amma. Here 3 5s are 15. Again 10. 3 3s are 9. Again 1 point should be kept. Here 3 3s are 9. Again 1 is remainder, Amma. Here 53.3 degrees centigrade. This is the resultant temperature or final temperature of the mixture, Amma. Okay na, Amma? Here 2 masses are given and the 2 temperatures are given. Find out the temperature of the mixture, Amma. That time we have to use this formula. Final temperature of the mixture T is equal to M1 T1 plus M2 T2 by M1 plus M2. Okay now, Amma? Here the final answer is T is equal to 53.3 degree centigrade. Okay? Now, Amma, how much amount of heat energy is required to convert the 100 grams of water at 60 degree centigrade? Masira, how much amount of heat energy is required to convert the 100 grams of water at 60 degree centigrade? Masira, how much amount of heat energy is required to convert 100 grams of water 100 grams of water at 60 degree centigrade. How much amount of heat energy is released or required to convert 100 grams of water at 60 degree centigrade? In this problem, mass should be given and the temperature should be given. We know very well the specific heat of water is always 1, Amma. Find out the amount of heat energy. Here, mass of water is equal to M is equal to 100 grams. And next one, specific heat of water. Specific heat of water. W is equal to specific heat of water. SW is equal to 1 Cal per gram degree centigrade, Amma. And next one, temperature. Here temperature, Amma, temperature change in temperature delta T is equal to 60 degree centigrade. In this one, we have to find out the quantity is amount of heat energy. Generally, amount of heat energy is represented by the letter Q, Amma. Q is equal to Ms delta T. Q is equal to Ms delta T. Here, M means mass of water, Amma, 100 grams. Specific heat of water is equal to 1. And delta T change in temperature is equal to 60 degrees, Amma. Here mass should be given in CJ system. Here specific heat is also given in CJ system. And the temperature is also given in a degree Celsius, Amma. Here amount of heat energy Q is equal to 100 into 60 is equal to 60,000. Okay na? Here the CJ's unit of heat energy is equal to Cal. My units should be written in this word. Okay na? Units must be written in the physics, Amma. Here the physical quantity, that is heat. Heat Q is equal to 6,000 Cal. Here 6,000 Cal amount of heat energy is used to convert 1 gram of water at 60 degrees centigrade. Okay na, Amma? Okay? Function of CJ's unit and SI unit, Amma. Here see the I know already we know that the specific heat of mercury, specific heat of mercury, specific heat of lead, we know very well amma, laddu, mithai, bundi. Here, for the specific heat of lead is 0.03 Cal per gram degree centigrade. The specific heat of lead is 0.03 Cal per gram degree centigrade. Find its value in SI system amma. Find its value in SI system. My SI system is international system. This system is applicable throughout the world. SI system is different from MK system amma. Okay na? SI system is different from MK system. Actually this is the value for lead. The specific heat of lead is 0.03 Cal per gram degree centigrade. Find its value in SI system. Here specific heat is represented by the letter S amma. The specific heat of lead in Celsius. The unit of specific heat in Celsius system is Cal per gram degree centigrade. In MKS unit is joule per kg Kelvin. Joule per kg Kelvin amma. The relation between Celsius system and MKS system is equal to 1 Cal per gram degree centigrade is equal to 4.2 into joule per kg Kelvin. Okay na? 4.2 into, listen carefully, 4.2 into 10 cube into joule per kg Kelvin. Here this is relation between Celsius unit and MKS unit of specific heat. Here the formula should be given in Celsius unit. This value should be converted into SI system. Okay na? SI system amma. Here 0.03 Cal per gram degree centigrade is equal to here 0.03 into 4.2 into 10 cube. Okay na? Here 0.03 should be written as 3 by 100 amma. Here after the point 2 places are there. That's why we should written 100 divided by 3 amma. Into 4.2 should be written as 42 by 10. Okay na? Here 10 cube should be written as 1000. Here 3 zeros get cancel amma. Here 3 2s are 6 and 3 4s are 12. 126. Okay na? Here 0.03 Cal per gram degree centigrade is equal to 126 joule by kg Kelvin. Okay na amma? The value of lead in SI system is 126. Okay?